In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily check a Bitcoin address. So the balance, the transactions, anything you want to know about a Bitcoin address. So you simply have to go to the website mempool.space. Then here on the right side, you will have a search field. And if you type in the address right here and click on search, you will find all the information about this address. We can see it up here. You can directly see the confirmed balance. So what's the current balance on this address? You can see this, in this case, it's 13 Bitcoin. You can also see the amount in dollars. Here on the right, you can also see the pending balance. So if transactions are still unconfirmed and not included in the blockchain yet, but still waiting to be confirmed, you will see that right here. If you look down here, you can also see a balance history. So whenever a transaction comes in, of course, the balance goes up and then it goes down if you're sending it somewhere. If we scroll down a little bit more, you will also see the unspent transaction outputs. How a Bitcoin address works is whenever you receive something, that is one unspent transaction output. So it works pretty much like a physical wallet where you're collecting different coins and they can have different sizes. You can see there's a big chunk of 6.6 Bitcoin in here, and there's some smaller ones with 0.39 Bitcoin. If you scroll down, you can also see all of the transactions. As you can see, this address has many transactions, but you will see them all listed up right here. You can always see the address we are currently looking at is already highlighted, and you can see all the inputs and outputs whenever you received something. If you click on here also, you can switch between Bitcoin, Satoshis or dollars, and you can see where the money came from that has been received to this address, and also where you have been sending money if there's an outgoing transaction from this address right here. So that's pretty much already it. If you're wondering where is the best place to buy or trade crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.